Dude, I've got another parcel. I'm not sure what this is. I've just taken out the piece of paper, so you don't know my address now. I believe this is a master lock I've ordered. It feels like one of the master lock. It feels like the big one I've ordered for eBay. Sort of steel. That's just it where it's folded. Right. Let's see. It's got quite a bit of weight to it. Now, the sellotape hovers when you don't have a pair of scissors. Got half it open. Ooh, I've got it open. Good. Here it is. An old master lock. What's that little? Is that like saying it's bulletproof or something? Hardened steel. Nice. I'll get the key. Oh, it's on a little red tag. What's a nice surprise. I could have given it a clean. Looks like a double locking. Very nice. Nice old master from eBay. The master logo. Got the light. Oh, that's too bright. A very nice old one. I don't know how old this thing is. I could probably look up the mod number. One key. That's okay. Very nice master bulletproof padlock. Thanks for watching.